for what you got. Look, now it's not all the way frozen yet, but she got 2 packs of Pedialyte. Well, they all got them, but I want to save these unless there's more that comes, because I don't. The other ones do have a little bit of stuff in them, although, you know, it's just like humans that don't have the, you know, a treat here and there's not going to harm them, but, you know, I would much rather her have the Pedialyte popsicles if we've only got a few, you know what I'm saying. Hey, you got to stay at the table with it. Oh, she's going to love these. She is going to absolutely love these. But she went back to her popsicle because her doesn't get them in there. I knew that would be a big treat. It's absolutely perfect, Diane. Diane, I'm sorry. I don't know. You just have no idea how great the timing is on this. Because just yesterday, whenever I was bandaging wounds, there was popsicles, and she was like sitting there making her cute little sounds. She, you know, begging for it, and I couldn't give it to her. She don't understand it's for her own health. You know, she just thinks she don't get it. So it's just perfect. You have no idea how perfect your timing is. She's trying out her nuts. What'd you get? Mommy should have opened them, huh? You need help? Let me get scissors. I hear that. That's Eli tearing my door up. Hold on, I'll help you. Get one? Not yet. Oh, here. Louise. Sorry. Angel. Here. Angel. What the heck? A nut? A peanut? What'd you get? You got something to make a mess with. Yay! And it tastes good too. Well, now, you didn't even find your actual nut. Here. I'm not opening that pack. And look. These here. Now, these, and it clearly says on here that Angel is drinking the proper hydration amount. Well, it says for people, but you know, she is a little hairy people. Huh, Angel? I know you want that. I know you want that, but I'm not opening it up right now. You've already got some Pedialyte in your cup. Where's your cup? Hold on. There. That's Pedialyte. This is Pedialyte too. It's the same thing. I promise. Why would I lie? I'm serious. We'll open this whenever your bottle is empty. Yeah. It actually, I think, is perfect for the outside ones because it's a 32-ounce thing, and that's exactly what your water bottle is. Yes. Okay? Okay? Want to try some? What? What, honey? Oh, I love you so much. Yes, her a good girl. Yes, her so good. Yes. Oh, mommy angel. Oh, mommy angel. You're so demanding. Oh, you're such a good girl. Yes. Oh, where's my angel? Oh. Yeah. Such a good girl. Oh, look at them sweet little hands and them sweet little feet. Aren't they adorable? Yes. Absolutely adorable. Who's got the cutest little angel face? Thank you so much, Diana. Everything will be used in great. Matter of fact, might need a diaper change right now, it looks like. Oh, look. She's going to lick up her popsicle. Thanks. It's perfect. Perfect timing, perfect everything.